Welcome to our Biz Mastery channel. Let's start the video with Jack Ma. Jack Ma once said that opportunities lie where people complain the most, and today one of the biggest opportunities in the modern world is the digital marketing business. In a time where billions of people spend hours every day on the internet, businesses are constantly searching for ways to reach their customers online. Digital marketing has become the bridge that connects companies with their audiences through platforms like websites, social media, and search engines. This is why starting a digital marketing business today can be one of the smartest entrepreneurial decisions. Digital marketing simply means promoting products or services through online platforms. Instead of traditional advertising like newspapers, billboards, or television, businesses now focus on internet-based promotion. This includes social media marketing, search engine optimization, content marketing, email marketing, and paid advertisements. Companies need experts who can manage these activities and help them grow their online presence. That is where digital marketing agencies and freelancers come into play. One of the biggest advantages of starting a digital marketing business is that it requires very little investment. Unlike physical businesses that need shops, warehouses, and large staff, digital marketing can start from a laptop and an internet connection. Many successful marketers actually begin from their homes. Over time, as they gain clients and experience, they build teams and agencies that serve companies all around the world. Another reason this business is growing rapidly is because almost every company now needs digital marketing services. From small local stores to global brands, everyone wants to reach customers online. Restaurants want more orders, clothing brands want more sales, and startups want brand awareness. Digital marketers help them achieve these goals through strategic campaigns and smart online promotion. The digital marketing industry is also constantly evolving with new tools, technologies, and platforms. Entrepreneurs who stay updated and continue learning can grow their businesses very quickly. With creativity, consistency, and the right strategy, digital marketing can turn into a highly profitable venture. In the next parts, we will explore how digital marketing works, what services you can offer, how to find clients, and how to scale your digital marketing business successfully. Services in a digital marketing business. A digital marketing business offers many services that help companies grow online. The most common service is social media marketing. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok have billions of users, making them powerful marketing platforms. Businesses want engaging posts, creative videos, and strong branding on these platforms to attract customers. Another important service is search engine optimization, commonly known as SEO. SEO helps websites rank higher on search engines like Google Search. When people search for products or services, they usually click the first few results. Digital marketers optimize websites with the right keywords, content, and structure so they appear at the top of search results. This brings organic traffic and potential customers to the business. Content marketing is also a major part of digital marketing. Businesses need blogs, videos, graphics, and articles that educate and attract their audience. Good content builds trust and authority. When people find valuable information from a brand, they are more likely to buy its products or services. Email marketing is another powerful strategy. Even though it is one of the oldest digital marketing techniques, it is still extremely effective. Businesses collect email lists and send newsletters, promotions, and updates to their customers. This helps maintain relationships and encourages repeat purchases. Paid advertising is also a core service in digital marketing. Platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads allow businesses to run targeted advertisements. Digital marketers create ad campaigns that reach the right audience based on location, interests, and behavior. When done correctly, paid ads can generate quick sales and strong returns on investment. Because digital marketing includes so many services, entrepreneurs can choose to specialize in one area or offer a full-service agency. Some marketers focus only on SEO, while others specialize in social media or paid ads. As the demand for online visibility continues to grow, the need for skilled digital marketers will also continue to rise. How to start a digital marketing business. Starting a digital marketing business may sound complex, but in reality it can be quite simple if approached step by step. The first step is learning the skills required for digital marketing. These skills include understanding social media platforms, search engine optimization, online advertising, and content creation. Many people start by taking online courses, watching tutorials, and practicing on small projects. Once you understand the basics, the next step is building your own online presence. Create professional profiles on platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram to showcase your skills. You can also create a simple website that explains your services and displays your work portfolio. Having your own brand presence is important because clients want to see proof of your expertise. Another powerful way to start is freelancing. Platforms such as Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer.com allow beginners to offer digital marketing services to clients around the world. At first, you may start with small projects and lower prices, but as you gain reviews and experience, you can increase your rates. Networking is also extremely important in digital marketing. Many clients come through referrals, connections, and relationships. Attend business events, join online communities, and communicate with entrepreneurs who might need marketing help. The final step is building systems and strategies that deliver results for your clients. Successful digital marketers focus on measurable outcomes such as website traffic, leads, and sales. When clients see real results, they continue working with you and recommend your services to others. Finding clients for digital marketing. One of the biggest challenges for beginners in digital marketing is finding clients. However, there are many proven methods to attract businesses that need marketing services. The first method is social media outreach. You can search for small businesses that have weak online presence and offer them help. Many companies know they need digital marketing but do not know how to do it effectively. Another effective strategy is creating valuable content online. When you share marketing tips, case studies, and educational videos, people start seeing you as an expert. Platforms like YouTube and LinkedIn are excellent for building authority. Over time, businesses may contact you directly for services. Cold emailing is also a common method used by many digital marketers. You can research companies that may benefit from better online marketing and send them personalized messages explaining how you can improve their results. A clear and professional proposal can open the door to long-term partnerships. Another powerful strategy is offering free audits. For example, you can review a company's website, social media page, or advertising campaigns and show them what improvements can be made. When businesses see the problems and possible solutions, they are more likely to hire you. Word-of-mouth marketing also plays a huge role. When you successfully help one client grow their business, they often recommend your services to others. This can create a chain reaction that brings consistent work and new opportunities. Scaling a successful digital marketing agency. Once your digital marketing business starts gaining clients, the next step is scaling it into a full agency. Scaling means expanding your services, increasing revenue, and building a team that can handle more projects. Many successful agencies start with just one person and gradually grow into organizations that manage campaigns for dozens of companies. The first step in scaling is specialization and efficiency. As your client base grows, you may notice that certain services generate better results and higher profits. For example, some agencies specialize in social media advertising, while others focus on SEO or content marketing. Choosing a profitable niche allows you to become an expert in that area. Hiring a small team is also essential for growth. You may start working with freelance designers, content writers, or advertising specialists who help deliver services to clients. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork make it easier to find skilled professionals from around the world. Automation tools are another key part of scaling. Marketing platforms and analytics software allow agencies to track campaigns, schedule posts, and measure results efficiently. These tools save time and improve performance. Building long-term relationships with clients is also crucial. Instead of offering one-time services, agencies often work on monthly retainers. This creates stable income and long-term partnerships. Finally, the most successful digital marketing agencies focus on continuous learning. The online world changes rapidly, with new algorithms, platforms, and trends emerging every year. Entrepreneurs who stay updated and adapt quickly will continue growing in this exciting industry. Digital marketing is not just a business, it is an opportunity to help companies succeed in the digital world while building a profitable career. With dedication, creativity, and smart strategies, anyone can turn digital marketing into a thriving business.